Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I will prepare a bunch of Christmas shortbread French cookies. Because I've had cookie cutters forever and I don't think I've ever used them. Ever? Really? So let's do it right now! What you will need to make a bunch of French cookies for Christmas is half a pound of soft butter, 3 eggs, half a pound of castor sugar, a pound of all-purpose flour, the zest of a lemon, a selection of cookie cutters. French word of the day. The French word of the day is emporte-pièce for cookie cutter. Emporte-pièce. I've got a duck here. I have a mushroom too. Whisk soft butter in a mixing bowl. Add 3 eggs and whisk. Add sugar and whisk. Add lemon zest and mix. Add flour and mix with a wooden spoon. Make a ball out of the dough, wrap it up in a plastic foil and set aside in the fridge for 30 minutes. Flour the working area and spread the dough with a roll up to half an inch thickness. Preheat oven to 300 Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius. cut cookies with the cookie cutters, and display them on a parchment paper covered oven tray. Bake cookies for 15 minutes. Guys, I hope you enjoy watching this Christmas special video. Christmas special video? Christmas special video. So please give us a thumb up and show your support. You may also want to comment and let me know what, according to you, is the best recipe for Christmas cookies. I like this one. I like these cookies. Really, I like them. They're really tasty, really good. But what's yours? What's your recipe, buddy? Also, subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all our new videos. It helps us a lot. You need to know that. In the meantime, merci, au revoir, à bientôt et joyeux Noël!